In today's video, let me show you how to change Facebook profile to a digital creator. Digital creator mode or professional mode on Facebook allows you to monetize your Facebook and your Facebook videos and the videos that you post through banner ads and through adding in stars so that other people can gift you stars. So to enable this option, you need to just head over to your profile section on the top left. Once you're here, you just need to tap on the three dots besides edit profile, and once you're in this section, you'll see an option of turn on professional mode. You can just tap on it, and here you can see all of the benefits of switching to a professional mode, such as get paid for your content, see content insights, and let more people follow you. Tap on turn on, and there you go, your professional mode or digital creator mode now has been successfully turned on. Here you need to manage a couple of other settings and complete your profile. So that is the exact way of changing your Facebook profile to a digital creator. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.